Woo! All right, there's a lot of white smoke, so we got to figure that shit out too. So now we are actually about to. I should have probably backed it out first.
That's what I was thinking, huh?
Move your car.
That's what I was thinking. Ain't gonna die, nigga, no.
Bitch.
Dies.
My life.
I mean, what happened?
It's still plugged to the battery. You sure you want to be messing with that?
That's what I was thinking.
No.
So, had a little trouble getting the ST out because there's a reverse lock, and I didn't know.
I got everything covered.
And I didn't know how to put it in reverse, but we got it figured out.
It's all right. We finna learn how to drive manual. You know what I'm saying?
We about to learn.
For the stall out.
I didn't install.
He didn't install.
I didn't install.
Real nigga.
I didn't install.
Real nigga.
So we about to go to Target, get a fogger, get some bug spray, come back, work on that yellow Bumblebee car right there.
This loud dart.
Shut up.
I did.
So we're back from buying the off fucking sprayed it. So now we're going to start taking off pretty much all the broken shit. We got the crash bar, and I keep forgetting the name of that. It's like the radiator mount or whatever, because all these parts are like cracked on the left side right here.
You don't know.
So let's get to it. So before we was gonna just try to take this crash bar off, and that shit ain't work because these are too deep in there. We don't have our deep sockets or attachments. So now we're trying to take this off. The radiator mount. Yeah,
the bar.
The bar.
The supporter.
This bar. For the radiator, basically. Now we gotta take the radiator off. We have to take the air boxes, these air boxes off. much got this off. We got like these bolts right here that we got to take off, and then these two big niggas in my way. But there's some bolts right down there.
Two big niggas helping your ass out and like your ass in front of the camera.
And one medium sized.
I'm helping out. Y'all seem.
I am medium sized. What you talking about?
No,
I'm about to say.
No, I'm talking about him not helping.
Alright, you still gotta take the crash bar out. You still getting those bolts, and
This is what happens when you don't have a fucking extension. You don't have no fucking extender or adapter to your fucking cooler.
yeah, we forgot pretty much all the fucking adapters. Every fucking adapter, every fucking extension.
You excited, fuck?
Alright, so we ended up getting that thing all the way up there. That thing. So right now we're just trying to take the crash bar off. We're one bolt.
Oh my god.
One bolt away.
No,
But
dog,
it's all the way down
No,
there.
you're not.
No, it's
What?
You like 3 bolts away.
3
Look
bolts.
at this shit. This the bolt that we got in order to lift it, bro. You see that shit? Right here in the inside. Come here. On this angle, look. Look where I'm pointing at. You see that shit? What the fuck are we gonna use for that shit?
Well, we'll figure it out. Alright, so yesterday's video kind of ended pretty abruptly. I didn't explain to you guys pretty much what happened. So basically, well, I'll explain what happens once we get there, but just know we ran into a lot of problems, and this is day 2 kind of thing. And I'm sitting right next to a bumper in the back seat of a Honda because we also screwed that up. Yeah. Alright, so we just got back to John's place with the ST. So basically, right now what's gonna happen is we gotta make sure that the intercooler fits, because yesterday we tried it and it didn't fit on there. We gotta figure something out with that, and from there we'll go from there. We might just have to buy some couplers or something, but basically right now we will end up having to take this to a frame shop, is what we figured out. We got everything bolted off, as you can see, but this right here is cinched like this. It got bent from the accident, so I kind of figured we would end up having to take it to a frame shop, just didn't. But that's like the only piece that we've seen. But we can still bolt up the crash bar on, and we're just gonna have to take it from there. Cause nothing bolts to the crash bar. Well, not a lot of things bolt. Bolt. Not everything bolts to the crash bar, so we should be good.
All right, so we're about to go to O'Reilly's to get some more, see if it's the right part.
What the hell they have at?
So O'Reilly's sponsored this video.
Alright, so there's been a lot that happened the last time that I updated you guys. So right now we are about to basically cut these pipes right here, because they are, I think they're cob. We're more than sure that they're like cob. They're intercooler piping. So we gotta cut those, and we got some couplers right over here. Alright, so we just took off. I'm pretty sure this might be the hot side, cold side. I have no clue. But we just found more damage. This is dented, you know? Shit not supposed to look like this. So at this point, I don't know. We'll figure something out. I don't know if we're gonna reuse this or not. I don't think we should. This is fucked. We are pretty much defeated for today. We're gonna try this again tomorrow. So basically, these couplers that I bought, they fit, but they don't. So the reason why I didn't record it was because basically I was gonna tell you guys if it fit or not. It's gonna be hard to really show this, but that side can go in, this side can't. So it was just all difficult. We got the right one, it's just not gonna fit. So we found a guy that can, for like $135, we'll get the whole piping so that we can basically redo the piping, take off the fucking cop piping because we can't use it. So that's gonna be happening later. We're done for today. We're gonna try this again tomorrow because to take off those pipes we're gonna need jack stands and we're gonna need to jack up the car. So we don't have that stuff with us. So we're gonna, this is a 3-day process. 3 days now. All right, so we just got done picking up all the intercooler pieces from some guy for like $135. That was a steal. Honestly, for all the pipes, man, let me roll up these windows, shit. For all the pipes, for the intercooler, I'm not gonna use the shutter shield thing, but it came with that too. And I'm not gonna use it though, but I'll use everything else. But yeah, we got it. We're gonna go drop it off at John's house, and we're not gonna work on it tonight, but tomorrow